There's new email updates that you have to know about that can kill your email marketing if you're not smart and keeping up with the changes. We're going to tell you what it is, how to combat it, and be successful in email marketing in 2024. Check it out. Hey guys, Steve Page here from Giant Partners, the #1 data-driven marketing agency. Here to talk about email marketing. There's big changes this year that you need to know about that will affect any of your email marketing campaigns that you have going forward, especially on Gmail and Yahoo Mail. They recently made some big changes. For example, starting in 2024, will require bulk senders to authenticate their emails, allow for easy unsubscription, and stay under reported spam threshold. So there's an article from Email on Acid, and it breaks down what you should know about email marketing in 2024. We'll leave this link in the description. We'll also walk through how you can make sure these changes are applied to email marketing throughout the video as well. So please stay tuned, as well as a bonus resource to walk you through each tip for these email marketing changes and to be successful throughout the year. So before we get to dive into the authentication, one of the biggest trends is artificial intelligence. It makes it really easy to create emails these days, especially with ChatGPT and other AI tools, and even the custom GPTs that are out now. You can find ones about email marketing, answer a few questions, and you can have it generate a abandoned cart series. You can have it generate a post-purchase series, an email newsletter about a certain topic. You have it formatted. You can have it generate images for you. AI is making email marketing a lot easier and easier, so you should be able to really harness the power of email marketing using AI really easily. So with the rise of AI, people are becoming more and more skeptical of emails and even just content they see online. Images, is it AI? Is it not as a real person? So you don't want to just replace your content with just AI content, because people are going to start seeing the trends. I notice in AI copywriting is a lot of the same words and the same outputs. So they use unleash and unlock a lot. So if you see any ads or copy out there, writing out there that says unleash or unlock, most likely it's a generated AI tool. But it does get you started. As you can see here in the email tools, you can get your abandoned cart sequence going, and you can then copy and paste this in the doc or put it into your email platform and then edit it from there and make it more personal, make it more human and realistic, have it match your voice. But then again, you could also record a video and you can upload it. You could add a PDF that's more tailored to your voice and then tell the AI tool to write the email in your voice, in your style, using your vocabulary, your mannerisms, your terminology. So it makes it more authentic and people will be more responsive to that. So you should definitely tweak your AI outputs if you're going to use AI for email marketing. One of the first tools that we have, if you want a sheet like this, we have an instant personalized email generator. So if you're grabbing, this could be B2B, but this could also be B2C. Whatever information you have about your consumers or potential customers, and you have their email address, the more information you can add into. So for example, we have an AI tool that integrates with a Google Sheet. So the more information we get on them, we can actually personalize these emails to reference their about section, their job title, where they're located. So for example, check out this prompt to easily personalize an email. Let's zoom in here. Create a sales outreach email using the following instructions. Here's the task, the style, the tone, the topic. Email should start with hi. This is a reference to the specific first name, their job title, and then in the PS section, we want to reference a restaurant and their local city. As you can see, you can use AI to generate personalized emails. You just got to get that data on those people. So this is pulled from LinkedIn, but here at Giant Partners, we also sell email marketing lists that you can purchase. So if you have, or even append your current list. So if you have a list of emails, you don't know anything else about them, like first name, last name, phone, city, or more, we can append a lot of that data so you can enrich your database and personalize it even more so that you get better responses. And we've noticed, like when we personalize these emails like this, the response rate gets higher and higher because a lot of the more canned emails are getting more and more ignored. Again, we'll drop a link to get this in the comments or description. So if you're interested in using this for yourself, feel free to use it and try it out yourself. And we have another resource at the end of this video as well, so you can check that out as well, so stay tuned. The next thing is accessibility. As people have vision issues or other disabilities, making it easy for people to read emails, or if they can't see, an easy way for it to convert it into audio using their accessibility tools. We'll drop this article in so you can read about how to code accessible emails, accessibility in the inbox. You can learn more and get into that. Well, here's the big point. This video is the authentication, where if you don't do this, you may not even reach the inboxes of anyone who has a Gmail address or a Google email or a Yahoo email. What you have to do is use all email authentication protocols, SPF, DKIM, and DMARC. All commercial emails must include a one-click unsubscribe in the body, and senders must keep their spam complaint rate beneath a threshold of 0.1%. Spikes in spam complaints should never exceed 0.3%. Let's dive into the authentication protocols. SPF, DKIM, and DMARC authentications. We'll drop this link in the chat so you know exactly how to set this up for your business so that you can authenticate your emails and your domain so that you can end up in inboxes instead of spam or not in any email at all. Usually email providers will show you how to do it, walk you through step by step how to set this up. If you use MailChimp, Constant Contact, HubSpot, or anything like that, there's usually step-by-step instructions. We'll leave these links in the description so you can check it out if you need to do it. If you need help doing this, feel free to reach out to us, giantpartners.com. We can help you set this up and get you going and supporting your email marketing in general. All commercial emails must include a one-click unsubscribe in the body. Here's an example from a Fitbit email. You can see the unsubscribe link at the bottom. It's just a screenshot of the email. When you click this, unsubscribes you from the email. Usually it's in that area of the email at the bottom, which is fine. As long as you have that link and someone can easily click it, you'll be fine if you're email marketing and sending out mass emails. And then again, on the spam complaint rate, one thing you can do to avoid that is to every once in a while send some emails. If people aren't engaging or opening them, create a segment of those people that aren't opening or engaging with your email. Send them a list. Do you still want these emails? Yes or no? If they say no, just opt them out of your list, and you'll clean your list of people who don't really want your emails. Maybe they sign up for some offer, they don't want it anymore, not interested anymore. So then they could say no, and then that'll get rid of all the people that don't want your emails and make your spam complaint rate basically down to zero, because everyone else should want your emails. What we also did for you guys is put together a ebook of our best practices. We send over 300 million emails every year. We have a in-house database. We also do cold emails on behalf of clients and do this as a day-to-day part of our business. So we learn a lot from sending all these emails. So we put together our best practices guide. We actually had someone from HubSpot also contribute, and other experts as well on this ebook. You can see a little sneak peek of the table of contents, go over multi-channel targeting, maximum response rates, deliverability, AI generated email content, customer success, marketing, sales, and more. 52 things in this email. So it's a long list, really extensive ebook for free. We'll drop the link in the description as well for you guys to check out. And then again, if you want us to handle your email marketing for you, whether it's reaching out to new people on your behalf so you don't affect your current domain, or help setting up anything regarding CRMs, your current marketing situation, we'll be happy to take a look at it and audit it, or even set anything up that is needed, which is missing. Because as you heard on this video, there's some big changes coming up. You just want to be ready, and here at Giant Partners, we have plenty of experts and people that can help you be ready for the changes in 2024 and beyond. So that's it, wraps up for this video. If you thought this was helpful content, be sure to like it, as well leave a comment if you have any questions, or if you want any of these resources we mentioned on the video as well. Be sure to subscribe for more resources like this, tips, and we'll see you next time.